I go push mid, I get 5 kills.
Shut up, man.
I kill you.
Move it, move it.
When I was just a little baby boy, my mama used to tell me these crazy things. No more. Hard game.
Corner.
Counter-terrorists win.
Oh, oh.